American Horror Story poster recreation, anyone? First, let's create the background with some lovely sound effects. Time to clean up our space. Oh, so satisfying. I promise we're nearly done with the background. Just enjoy the lovely, lovely sound effects and we will be right onto the makeup soon. Oh, and while you're watching these lovely sound effects and this lovely background making, if you haven't subscribed already, then please do. I have lots of amazing looks coming this Halloween and you won't want to miss them. So subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you're notified every time I post a lovely look like this. Let's try out the background for size. Right, now finally onto the makeup. I am going to just let you listen and not listen. I'm going to let you watch, not listen, because I'm going to shut up for once in my life and just let you watch because it's pretty self-explanatory. So I might interject here and there, but yeah, I'll let you watch. Bye. And now I look like a thumb. We move on. Now you'd think that copying the eye shape of an alien would be a fairly simple affair, but no, this was probably one of the most frustrating experiences of my life. I just could not get it right. I tried about 1,000,000 times. Yes, I've got it. No, I really haven't. Let's try again. I finally got it. Yay! to look like the world's worst superhero, let's move on to the lower part of the face. To highlight and shade. Glamorous. And now it's time for a trip to the dentist. The alien and vampire dentist. So there we have it, illusion complete. Of course, when taking the photograph, you have to make sure you're at the right angle, but it worked pretty well. It's not perfect, but I'm pretty pleased overall with this illusion. What do you think? Let me know in the comments what you thought of this and if you'll be giving it a go. Like my video and subscribe and all that jazz. It really helps me out, and I will see you at Halloween. Bye.